So I've Chris Watkiss from McKeesport attended our Details R certified detailer training this weekend, and he is now an official Details R trainee. So Chris, what do you think of the first day of the training?
The first day of the training went very well. Learned a lot of new things about the business side of it. Definitely pertaining more to the detail world itself, right?
So that was the business
Yeah,
class,
yep,
marketing,
yep,
business plan, permits. So
yep,
that helped you?
yep,
Yeah.
very much.
So what did you think of the exterior day, which was actually the paint correction and ceramic coating?
A lot of things did this years ago. A lot of
Sure.
stuff has changed in the last 25 years. So newer techniques, newer products, especially the ceramic coating, which is something that I really wanted to learn more about.
So you felt it's going to add value to your new business?
Yes.
Excellent. So today was the final day, the interior detailing and cleaning day. What did you think?
Again, things have changed, products have changed, all the way down to even the equipment itself. Back in the day when it used to just be a chemical and a rag, now there's different, tools that you can use, different, air attachments and electronic attachments, even the chemicals themselves, anywhere from carpet to, to the seats, to the, vinyl, the plastics,
Sure.
Lots changed. So, definitely learned a lot today.
Excellent. So it's definitely going to help you.
Yes.
Would you refer others to our training as long as they're not going to be a competitor?
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.